How to schedule emails in TaxDome. Schedule emails in advance to send them at the right time without keeping them on your to-do list. TaxDome offers 3 ways to schedule. From the new button, create your email, fill in the details, turn on the schedule toggle, set your date and time, and confirm. When replying to an existing thread, write your response. Select the arrow next to Send Now. Choose Schedule Email, set your date and time, and confirm. From the Scheduled section under the Email tab in a client's profile, select New Email, complete your message, and choose when to send it. The Scheduled section shows all pending emails. Select any email to review the sender, subject, content, and send time. Cancel a scheduled email anytime before it sends by selecting the envelope with the X icon.